spirit that haunts this dark forest tonight, dost hear me?
Bob, hammer and tongs, I hear you.
Speak, stranger. Have you another name? Is it vegetable?
Shablam goes my sawed off, pointed at your face. You thought you were deaf but got showed by my ace. Pop, pop, sniggly pop, sound of my gap. Put your hands in the air, cause you know I'm living fat. Pull the trigger on the Uzi and the bullets fly. Bang, 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 fool, kiss your ass goodbye. I saw your mom with Joey Fick, so I beat the asses down with a 10-inch stick. Took off their shoes and knifed their socks. We ran into some Nazis and sold their Glocks. Lokes on percussion and he's a getting fly in the back of a truck when we're on a drive-by. Jeff's on the bass, showing us how to rock. Beak like a chicken and ears like Spock. Cowboy Gust is ripping the turntables and pimping on the organ when he's willing and able.